Hi there, I'm Eva and this is my world. Have you ever thought that accounting is all about formats? And this is what your accounting textbook looks like. What if the accounting textbooks look like this? Or like this? Or like this? So if you want to understand accounting and see concepts coming alive, then come and explore the world of accounting from our eyes and learn it in a whole new way. So, let's start the journey to master the accounting concepts today. So, if you want to see more videos like this, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And do remember to press the bell button to stay notified about all our future videos. Till the next video, bye-bye.